After working in the field of medicine for so many years as a professor in the medicine, it was observed by me that so many diseases are not curable irrespective of the advancement in the science. In my medical practice since last 25 years, I came across so many patients, and particularly diseases like diabetes, hypertension, osteoarthritis, acid reflux disease, lumbar spondylosis, cervical spondylosis. These diseases were not curable. And patients were suffering. Observing such miseries of the patient, I was searching for some new methodology for the treatment of such patients. When searching, I observed that there are so many pathies are available for getting the treatment of these diseases, of which allopathy is said to be the scientific method. Next is the Ayurveda, third is the yoga, fourth is the homeopathy, and some allied alternative branches of the medicine. They are still fighting to get the cure of such type of the diseases. So when the problem is not solved because of the irrespective of so many implying so many pathies, I could guess that there may be a basic mistake. And why they are not getting the results? Because the basic human anatomy, what we have been taught on the scientific way, this basic human anatomy may not be the adequate for the getting the total cure. So the concept of the human body structure was revised by me, and some new concepts were generated, and on the basis of the new concepts of the human body, we have taken so many trials, and patients were educated for the modification of the lifestyle according to this modified human body structures. In my opinion, human body, as it is divided by the science in various systems and various parts, I think that this type of the presentation of the human body or this type of the study of the human body is not logical, and as it is not logical, we are not getting the common solution for the such chronic illnesses. What I think, the body is the total one unit. It is a single entity which cannot be divided into various systems and various parts. Our consciousness and mind works together, and total management of our total system depends on our consciousness and the mind. So more thought was given to this, and lifestyle was modified keeping this point into consideration. And to my surprise, what I could observe, the diabetes is the curable as well as the preventable. So many long studies were carried out, so many patients got cured out of this, so many pre-diabetic states were aborted, they came to the normal, and then I thought that as this method is working, I have given the name to this methodology of working as a midline therapy. This midline therapy is the outcome of my 25 years experience. This therapy is a new treatment for the cure of the diabetes, for the cure of the hypertension, for the control of the acid peptic diseases, and as well as it will prevent the development of the osteoarthritis of the knee joint. We have tried so many patients, we have verified the results scientifically. Scientific protocol is synthesized over this, and this system is formulated on that way. Though this system is new, but total basis of the development of the system is totally scientific. It is not a magical treatment. It is totally designed in such a way that it will not be objectionable to any student of the science. This therapy is carried out at present at Mahendra's Health Retreat, which is situated at our hospital. It is a new wing, and you may contact with the given address here. You may contact on the online. I again tell you that diabetes is curable and diabetes is preventable. So as hypertension, acid peptic disease, osteoarthritis, they can be prevented totally and globally. For the further information, you may contact us on the given address. Thank you.